Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of noisy ice makers disrupting your daily life? Look no further than the Nugget Ice Maker by Sincere, a game-changing appliance that's about to revolutionize the way you produce ice at home. This portable ice maker is designed to be quiet and family-friendly, making it ideal for kitchens, living rooms, offices, and even shared family spaces. The optimized cooling and airflow system ensures that it runs smoothly in the background, without any noise disturbance, allowing you to enjoy your favorite cold drinks without any distractions. The quiet operation is a result of its advanced design, which features a smooth and quiet compressor, providing a peaceful environment for you to relax and unwind. One of the standout features of the Nugget Ice Maker is its 10-minute auto-cleaning program, which keeps your ice cube maker fresh with minimal effort. With just one long press, the machine activates a complete internal rinse, ensuring that you get clean and great-tasting ice every day. The auto-cleaning feature is a huge convenience, saving you time and effort in maintaining the machine, and providing you with a fresh and clean ice-making experience. The ice maker is also incredibly easy to set up, with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to use, even for those who are not tech-savvy. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its performance and convenience. The Nugget Ice Maker is perfect for those who want to enjoy cold drinks at home, without the hassle of noisy ice makers or frequent trips to the store. The Pro Cooling feature ensures that your ice is always fresh and ready to use, and the compact design makes it easy to place on any countertop. With its advanced features and quiet operation, this ice maker is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient way to produce ice at home. Whether you're hosting a party or just want to enjoy a cold drink on a hot summer day, the Nugget Ice Maker is the perfect solution. So why, if this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.